How do I buy Parler stock? An assessment and summarization of a business's financial situation is called a balance sheet. Accountants quantify two groups of actions that a commercial enterprise performs. They are profit-making activities which takes sales and expenses. This may also be referred to as operative activity. There are likewise activities that demand acquiring cash from equity and debt sources, profit distribution to shareholders and owners, asset investing and disposal, and various one-time investing in financial projects. Profit-giving activities are notifiable in the income financial statement. Funding and investment activities are detected in the statement of cash flows. Put differently, two unique finance statements are devised for the two distinct cases of dealings. The periodic increase or decrease in cash from operative actions for the year is likewise registered in the cash flow financial statement, while the income financial statement reports the amount of actual profits. The balance sheet is diverse from the income and cash flow financial statements that report as it states income of cash and outward cash. The balance sheet represents the balances or amounts or a company's assets, indebtednesses, and owner's equity at a moment in time. The word balance has several meanings at different times. As it's used in the term balance sheet, it pertains to the balance of the two distinct faces of a company: total assets on one side and total liabilities on the opposite. Accountants may devise a balance sheet anytime that a director requests it, but in actual fact they are mostly made at the closing of every month, quarter, and annually. It's invariably prepared at the finish of business on the closing day of the earnings period. Businesses evidently don't constantly run without problems. It is great that an accountant helps highlighting any prospective problems that he can picture in the physical process of organizing financial statements. As business enterprises function in ever-varying market circumstances, there can often be extraordinary losses or profits. It is essential that an accountant helps to spotlight areas such as potential price economies, extreme spending, or feasible restructuring to support and deal with these varying considerations. This is now a popular business pattern to expand or compact processes to fit ongoing business circumstances. Even though there are costs attached in redundance and earlier retirement, it is often plausible due to the economies which can be had in remunerations and the price of lesser premises.